I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Oh my god, it's way too salty. What's up, nerds? It's Arab Honey with a 0 because I'm nothing. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some Arab chicken. This is not the Arab part, this is just the chicken. It's called Shish Tawook. It's fun to say. It sounds like something Jar Jar Binks would say. Shish Tawook, Shish Tawook. I think it has a K at the end, like you're supposed to say with a K. Shish Tawook. You're gonna need some tomato paste. I got the Arab kind. Cinnamon, allspice, black pepper, salt. And we're missing one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. So we're supposed to have a spice called cardamom. Cardamom or mon, your mom. I don't have it. And this is not good because I need this chicken to be good because I'm actually making it for Josh and he's on the way here. I'm supposed to be making this chicken and I do not have the most important spice, which is cardamom. Well, that's not fucking good.
12 seconds later.
Yo, where's this chicken, babe?
What up? Slight problem.
What?
I'm missing like the most important spice, cardamom.
The most important spice?
It's the most important spice.
I thought that was 40 spice. I mean, I didn't really come here for the chicken anyway. I came here to ride motorcycles and go drink beer.
Okay, cool.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Got my chipmunk cheeks. We're actually going to the store to get that forbidden spice. It's not gonna taste the same without it.
Oh yeah, apparently it's not gonna taste the same without
It's
it.
not.
And I'm now compelled.
He needs the best chicken. Chef's kiss.
All right, you ready to power motorcycle?
Hell yeah. Wow. On the way to get spice. Not the kind you smoke. Hell yeah. Fucking fuck. You got it. Cardamom. Your mom.
What's it called again?
It's called cardamom. Ground.
No, yo, dipshit. The meal.
Oh.
I know what the spice is called. I was there.
Shish Tawook.
You're making that up.
Shish Tawook.
You're making that up.
It says Shish Tawook on it. It is real.
Let me see
Shish
that.
Tawook spices, but we're not gonna
No,
use
that's-
that.
that's
That's
a-
cheating.
This is a meal from the freaking planet.
I just
Jar Jar
put that
Binks.
on like random stuff I eat, but when you're making this, it's cheating.
Well, hurry up, Maren. Misa hungry.
Yeah.
Misa hungry for a
It's
Shish
like
Tawook.
You got the Jar Jar corn I sent you the other day, right? Say butthole 3 times, I will appear.
Don't say butthole.
Butthole! So because I just moved back, I pretty much threw away all of my kitchen supplies, so I don't even own like a single bowl. So I just have this Tupperware. I don't even have a lid for it.
Wow, you really know how to treat a man right.
Just gonna cut these bad boys into like little chunky chunks.
Oh my
little
God.
taste tests.
Forbidden chicken? Yeah, I usually like my chicken medium rare.
I like mine with NyQuil. The cool vapor
Throwback, not a true member of the marination, unless you remember the NyQuil marination.
Yeah, I usually don't cook real food. Cut up all the chickens. I just realized that I should have made the glaze in this first, so I could try it without raw chicken in it.
You don't know what it tastes like with the chicken if you don't try
So
it
we're
with raw
gonna
chicken.
put it back on the plate. We're just gonna put it back. We're gonna rinse this out real quick. I just so excited.
I'm so excited. for
It's
the
like
freaking
very
Jar Jar chicken.
pleasing to cut the chicken the way it
Yeah.
feels and sounds with the scissors.
No. Is this on camera?
Yes.
Guys, are you hearing this? If in the next video I wear a red shirt, I'm in danger.
All right, so we cleaned out the raw chicken because, yeah.
So excited about cutting through flesh.
It's just, it's actually, yeah. I imagine that's how I would feel to like cut an arm. We're gonna try that again. Clean bowl. Don't even own a spoon. Got a fork, 1 fork.
Oh, it's putting in work, baby.
Yogurt, it's gotta be whole milk. Don't get none of that low fat shit. Absolutely not. Ooh. Not oil.
I'm sure I can get it over here.
No, we don't have to talk about it.
What, that you forgot something
No,
else?
we have to talk about it.
Oh, you don't want that one on camera?
I forgot vegetable oil.
Thanks for this amazing treat, Maren. I really appreciate you cooking a great meal for me. Let me walk down to the store and get you vegetable oil. I'll be right back.
Okay. Do like a half cup of the plain yogurt, but I don't have a measuring cup right now. Just kind of eyeball it. This is something allspice you'll see like on a lot of traditional Lebanese recipes. And next we're gonna do the tomato paste. Do like a half cup of this as well. Gotta rinse off our 1 fork. Like a tablespoon of pepper. All right, the cardamom, I think it's a tablespoon as well, but I eyeball it because I've been making it for so long, so I just eyeball the whole thing. But I know like no one's gonna actually use this recipe. You can Google it and it'll tell you the same thing, but with actual like measurements, not just my eyes. Salt, not too much. Allspice, again, I'm gonna eyeball it. If anyone has had this and likes it, DM me, because I have one cousin out of like my hundreds of cousins that likes it, but besides that, nobody likes it. All right, it's been about 2 hours. Still hasn't come back with the oil. There he is.
A little yogurt break, are we? We got you a Miami Cola, baby. Ooh, the best bang ever.
I'm gonna mix it with my milk.
And some star skills. Because you're daddy's favorite boy.
Better if you have a whisk, but like I said, I only have a fork as a utensil.
Only utensil.
Only utensil in the whole house. Oh, I have knives.
Just like 6 knives, 1 fork, 0 spoons, and 37 Furbies and trolls. They're actually probably more than 37.
Still, but like,
this place is creepy.
Stir it in until it's all the same color. So like I said, yeah, just eyeball it. But Google will tell you the actual measurements.
Dude, she shoots from the hip. I like that about you. Sometimes it can be real messy, so bring a towel.
Okay, okay, we're almost there. Just put way too much pepper, but you know.
Baby, there ain't no such thing as too much pepper, all right? Get that spice. We're doing that white people spice. Ooh, pepper? I didn't know this was gonna be that kind of party, Karen. You're making it real spicy.
A little bit of holy water, because I don't trust Josh. It's gonna be good.
Did I say it wasn't going to be? Or are you just judging from the skeptical face I'm making?
The skeptical face, I think. Okay, yeah, we're gonna put a little more tomato stuff.
And Shadetree Surgeon's face grows skepticaler. Shoot from the hip, baby. You got this. So how the great chef,
This is actually the first time it's taken this long.
Is it helping that I'm watching and making comments about every move you make? I thought it might help.
I don't know. Then you got your chicken.
Add the flesh.
Add the flesh, exactly. Stir that all together in your little mixing bowl.
You mean your Tupperware?
My Tupperware. Make sure it's just every piece is covered like drenched.
She also eats her cereal out of this Tupperware.
I made some soup in it the other day. By soup, I mean ramen from the box. Freezer bags, because you gotta put it in the bag. No air in there, so all that flavor gets soaked into that flesh. Flavor flesh.
Some of my favorite meals to eat is flavored flesh.
All right, this is the part where you can help me.
Really, it is? I could.
Yeah, you could.
Uh-oh, 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 is Josh gonna help? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get ready, here it comes. Oh no, oh God.
All right, and then you're gonna very carefully make sure all the air is out of the bag.
All right, cool. Can we go get a beer now?
Yeah, and then you're gonna put it in the fridge. The longer it marinates, better. I like to do it like overnight. All right, bitches, we're gonna get some beer. You can lick the bowl after if you want.
The forbidden lick. That raw chicken.
Sounds
I'm not something else to hurt anyone. I can't even see it.
So Josh took me to this super shady looking strip mall where they have a Boost Mobile connected to a barber shop because we're going to this brewery, craft brewery. The craziest part is there's a fucking payphone, a working payphone. I'm gonna call my mom and say hi. It's ringing. Mom, it's me. I hate you. Whoa, they even got beanbags? Just chill out on beanbags? What's going on here?
I feel like
beanbags.
I have some.
Ooh, little shicer cat. Oh, I like who wants to be a lucky duck? There's not really any good ones in here, but there's good ducks. Oh, this mural is sick. It's just like outdoor scenes with little animals. This is fun. Different, not what I expected.
All right, we're gonna
Blueberry cider.
First of all,
It's good. It's like not super sweet. They have these cute little coasters. We got got blank ones. We can do arts and crafty.
Again, I thought we were supposed to be doing cool biker stuff, and so far we've done kitchen stuff, and now we're doing arts and crafts.
I'm having a great
got
time.
beer at least now. Did you say you didn't know I could? Baron, I can't.
It works. There's a cat in the bar. Well, we are back home. That was enough excitement for one night.
I'm sure if we tried, we could still find a place even scarier than Eastside.
100%.
Day 2.
All right, nerds. So now that it's the next day and our chicken is marinated, it doesn't look that appetizing right now, but we gotta do this quick because Josh is hungry. He's over at the Shame, and so the oven's preheating 450. Get a little baking sheet, aluminum foil, and I pretty much just dumped the whole bag on there. Oh, wow. Okay, at least it smells good. It just doesn't look. Now you can lick the bag if you want. We've got our one fork. Even it out, spread it out on the tray. Just eat it right now. It looks so good. All right, and once your oven is set to 450, nice and hot. I don't know why that's in there. That's fucking hot. Do I have a baking oven? We'll see. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Bada bang. You're gonna cook that for like 15 minutes. All right, and then to go with the chicken, pita bread, tomatoes, pickles, fire. I like to drink the juice, but then my pickles dry out, so I have to drink it sparingly. It's so good. And black olives. I've never drank the juice. I did this one. Okay. Jesus Christ. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Oh my God, it's way too salty. Don't do that. Don't try that at home. Garlic sauce, super fluffy. It's so good. I could eat it with a spoon, but like your breath will smell after this. So if you're going on a date or planning on making out with someone, like don't eat this right before. It's like takes a whole day to get the taste sent out of your mouth. Usually I make it at home, but I was at the store, so I just got it. Dude, like, when's this fucking chicken gonna be done? That's probably what Josh is thinking. I'm gonna eat some, maybe, but don't. I don't have one of those, what do you call them? Things you take out, baking sheets. The heat things, the cloth things. So courtesy of the Dirty Shame, we have this beautiful cloth to get it out without burning my hand. To me, it looks amazing. So cut into it so, you know, we don't get Josh sick. Cool. Steaming. I'm not gonna try it yet, cause ow. Fire, straight fire. We're gonna eat another piece, but don't talk. We're ready to prepare it and walk it down to Josh and their Shame. I live pretty close, so I'm just gonna walk it on down there. Again, we had this conversation about the Tupperware, how I don't have appliances because I just moved back from New Orleans. So we're gonna bring it to them in the Tupperware. This is like the nice little vegetable presentation. I can't stop eating it. I know it's not for me. I know I made it, but it's so good. This is the finished product. This is what we will be bringing Josh. I don't think I have a lid, but we'll find out. I do have tin foil, so. I almost forgot the most important part, the garlic sauce. This is the part that's gonna make everyone behind the bar. Why do you smell like this? Finished product. Okay, I'm on the way. I put my hair up because it's fucking hot out, but I got the bag. We're on the way. Here you go.
Is this the same Tupperware you made the sauce in?
Yes.
It better be good, because everything else about this is
That Tupperware has been through it the last few days. I ate my cereal out of it this morning.
Alright, let's try this out. What's it called again?
Shish Tawook. Yeah, put a little bit of everything in it.
I need a fork.
Okay.
You didn't bring any because you don't have one.
Yeah, I don't. It's gonna be hard to get everything, so.
I'm gonna try hard.
And lots of garlic sauce, but you're gonna taste it all night. Yeah, I think there's pits in there though.
Oh, let me check one first.
Yeah, I almost didn't want to tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that pit in there? Shish Tawook.
Shish Tawook, let's go.
This is gonna be a big bite. Are you serious? I'm just getting delicious.
Okay, I was like, oh fuck. Good? It's weird, right?
Despite the fact that it was prepared in the same Tupperware you ate your cereal out of.
1 to 10.
Come on, baby. You know what it is. I gotta give that a solid 4.5. You think just because you're cute, I'm gonna give you a good score? Think again.
That'd be like an 8 at least.
I gotta keep my integrity here.